Hello folks, today we're going to change out the PTO switch on our Badboy Mower. PTO switch is the switch that allows you to engage the blades on and off. So that push button switch, I broke mine off the other day, and I created a redneck switch to temporarily still be able to use the PTO function. And so I ordered a new switch off of Amazon. It was like 15 bucks, took 2 days to get here. And so we're going to install that. I know it's dirty, but this is a working lawnmower here, so it's going to be that way. But this is where I broke off the knob of the switch, and you can see I just screwed a screw into the very top of the switch down in there, and I'm still able to pull it out and push it in to engage it. But we're going to replace that switch with one that I bought off of Amazon. This is the switch that I bought that is supposed to be compatible with the Badboy Mower. Really easy to look this up, and I only took 2 days to get here, 15 bucks. So I'm gonna swap it out now. You've got these 4 little Allen screws that I just took out with my multi-tip screwdriver. Not sure what size they are, but I think you're just gonna need a Allen wrench to get that out of there. I've got this little Klein screwdriver that's got multi-tips for it, so this is what I used, but probably an Allen wrench would work. So we're going to get to the bottom of this thing here. Looks complicated, but it's going to be no big deal. Just unplug your harness here and squeeze these sides, pull it out this way. Let's see if we can do that. Okay, we got a bunch of spider webs on here. I suggest cleaning this off, but we're just going to roll with it. So you can see the order of the wires here. We're going to pull this off. Yeah, just wiggle it back and forth. Okay, after some effort, I finally got this thing pulled out. I wound up breaking the little tab here, the retaining tab. See how it's got these couple of clips on each side? I just broke these 2 off and made it easier to get it out of there. Okay, so you can see how the pin arrangement is, how you've got the one that's missing here in the corner. It came out just like this. We're going to put the new one in the same way. See, it's missing a corner down there. We'll stick this in here if it goes. I read some reviews where people said they had to file the opening a little bit, but we're gonna try it out. Hold please. Okay, I just couldn't do it with one hand and hold the camera, but it snapped right in there. I didn't have to file the opening or anything. And now we're gonna just plug this harness back in here. Okay, harness is plugged in. We're just going to put it back together and try it out. Okay, got the panel screwed back on. The switch pulls out, pushes back in like it's supposed to. Going to try her out and let you know how it goes.